Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barbara's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. Today, I've got my mother-in-law's '08 Chrysler Town & Country here, and we had a problem on it where the vehicle wouldn't start. Also, the lights wouldn't come on in the dash, things like that. Here's some footage of what it was doing. Okay, so here's what we got going on here. We'll put the key in the ignition. That's in the accessory. Let's start. Nothing is going on, and the dash is not lighting up. Nothing at all. So yeah, off and on for the last couple years, this vehicle has been exhibiting intermittent symptoms, but they would always correct themselves and start working again. So finally, it just totally went out, and I did some poking around and stuff, and I didn't find anything real obvious, but it was something in the back of my head was just saying ignition key or ignition switch. So I did some digging, a little research, and come to find out these '08 Chrysler Town & Countries have a recall out on involving replacing the WIN module or the wireless ignition node, which is the part that you stick your key into, and also involves replacing 2 of the keys. Now, the reason for the recall is apparently these keys can get bumped in the WIN module, and it can move from the on position to the accessory position, causing the car to shut off while you're going down the road. Now, that's not what was going on with my mother-in-law's car. You saw it had those electrical problems and it wouldn't start, but that's the ignition switch basically. So I called the dealership up, and apparently the recall was still open on this vehicle. And I'm like, what the heck? You know, it's free. Let's send it down there to have it replaced. Maybe we'll get lucky and the vehicle will start up after this is done. So we sent it down there, and sure enough, it fixed it. And apparently some other folks have been having problems with their vehicle not starting due to a faulty WIN module. So just wanted to share that with you guys. If you have an '08 Chrysler Town & Country, and there are other years, and it also applies to like Dodge Caravans and stuff like that, that this recall applies to. So it's R03 if you're interested. Call your dealership up and ask them if this recall is open on your vehicle, or if any recall is open on your vehicle. Whenever you got a recall, you can get whatever the recall involves fixed for free at your dealership. So we got real lucky. I was really pleased with it. We sent it down there. It took a little bit of time for them to get the part and to put it in and all that because they were so busy. But man, we got I don't know what it costs to do this. If you were to pay for it yourself, probably over $300 or $400. I would imagine. I don't know, but we got real lucky, and I'm really happy about this. So. It's starting, it's running now. I'll show you. This is the new key here. Stick it in there. Everything's lighting up there, and it's working like it ought to. So, and oh, by the way, it does feel different, this new WIN module and the key, whenever you're turning it over and stuff and starting it, it feels a little bit stiffer. So if you notice that after you get yours fixed, I believe that's normal, because they are trying to correct a problem where the key is turning on its own or turning when it gets bumped. So guys, I hope this helps you. Hopefully there's a bunch of people out there that watch this video before they go and spend money on something like this to fix a problem like what we had. I don't guarantee that, you know, replacing the WIN module is going to fix this symptom. If the recall's open, what the heck, take it down there, get it fixed for free, or get it replaced for free. And if it fixes it, great. If it don't, oh well, you know, you got a part fixed for free. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please read the entire description down below before you apply any of this knowledge. There's more very important information down there that you need to know. Also, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.